Hi, this is Kapil Gunjikar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. And today I am going to tell you about, I'm going to introduce you to a part of an entire game, that is clan games. It is a small part of Clash of Clans. As this being an introduction to Clash of Clans, there is Clan War League, there is Clan War, there is Clan Games. So today I'm going to use my wife's account. I have already logged in. I'll show you entire thing in the video detail, how I'm going to select a clan game challenge, how I complete it, and what are the rewards I will get at the end of the clan games, when did they start. Actually, I'm recording this video on Thursday, 25th of March 2021. Clan games started on Monday, that is 22nd of March 2021, approximately around 1:30 in the afternoon. I was busy with my own work, so that's the reason I couldn't do the clan games recording. But for sure, I have 4 accounts in the same clan. 3 accounts I have already completed the clan games. That I'll show you while I'm choosing the challenges. This is just the intro. Stay tuned for the entire video. I'll show you few bits and I'll show you few challenges which I complete, how I select the challenges, why I select those challenges, how simple it is, and what all rewards I get and when I get. So that these all things are important. So this is also an introduction to a part of a game which is a big game called a Clash of Clans. Basically, this game is of Supercell company. It is a Finnish company, but that's not a problem at all. That's a really an interesting game. It is an individual game. It is also a team game. How, you will surely come to know, or you must have come to know in the previous videos or maybe in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for the entire video. This is my wife's account. Sorry for the interruption, guys. My friend is calling me on the other mobile. That's the reason. And my wife is like, he's calling you, he's calling you. That's the reason. Sorry for the interruption. And this is the clan games, guys. See, if you can see over here, up, time remaining over here, 2 days, 17 hours. And this is my individual score, 900 out of 4000. And the clan target was 50,000, which we have already reached. The clan ranking is 10. The name of the clan is Hitman Hunters. See, this is one of my account. This is one of my account which has already completed 4,000. This is my mom's account which is already completed 4,000. So zoom out ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ. This is my account which is Town Hall 11, that has also completed 4,000. Other clanmates who are actually currently completing few challenges, and if you could see just a little below 18th, this is my wife's account which has only completed 900 and currently not working on any challenge. So if I say let's check this one, he is completing Rajat, like this clanmate Rajat, he is completing knockout 50 levels, 50 levels worth of king in multiplayer account, and if he completes that in 4 hours 11 minutes, he will get 300 medals. So in this way you can just check out who has completed the clan games. Like this one is completed, Levi has completed the clan games. Others are, many people are just completing, they are working on some of the other challenges. What would be the rewards at the end? Like as I showed you earlier over here on the left below mummy, where my score is there. Yes, after the end of this remaining time, that is 2 days 17 hours, after this I'll be able to select these rewards. See, rewards are available when the games end. As the games have not ended, I cannot, and only if I complete my score of 4,000, I'll be able to select whatever. Like this is tier 1. If I want gold, I can select gold. This is tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5, tier 6. But for that, I need to complete my own individual challenge of 4,000. So I'll go to challenges. Basically I'm doing this recording as a what clan games is, and here it comes the building. Mummy, if you could just, no, on the screen over there, see the mouse over here. I'm trying to zoom in. Over here, yes, over here, the blue building, right? Yes, correct. Yes, correct. See, this is the blue building which comes in, and if you, I'll try to give the link or give the this thing. Maybe in the first video there is a small building. It is not even standing upright. A very small building like a carpet over here. It's very a small building where it, if you just click and it says that clan games are coming in so many days, so many hours. So now it is standing upright because I have to complete my, so I have to go there and click and take a challenge and complete the challenge. And I'll show you by the way, I also show you that if you could just see over here, just besides the shop, there is one, I don't know, like news, like news, events. So I'll go for events. See, it says clan games. So clan games, they are still open, and they are still open for 2 days, 17 hours. And what it says is it's time for clan games. Chief, earn more points, complete greater challenges, and win magic items from the clan games during this event. But basically still we have the option to select which rewards. See, first we have the option to select which challenge we want to complete, and accordingly we'll get the medals if we complete the challenge in the speculated time limit. For example, say for example, if I select this challenge, it says gather a total of 100% destruction from multiplayer battle, and if I do that in 8 hours, I'll get only 100 medals. So that is a little, like costly because of the resources. I will still try to check some other. Collect 3 stars from versus battle stars only on 60 seconds. That is less time limit. Basically, I am trying for easy ones, not much of the. This is collect a total of 3 stars from multiplayer battles. Again, 3 stars is like I have to do 2 multiplayer battle, 2 multiplayer attacks. So this challenge says in 8 hours, and it is giving me only 150 medals, but still that is worth doing it. So I'm thinking to take this one as a challenge. What is this is all about? Okay, this is 100% destruction from a multiplayer battle. Now I have a choice of this thing, guys. Like I can either take this one, or I can either take knockout 50 levels worth. And I'll show you if I take whichever challenge I take, I'll try to show you how I complete, and I'll show you only selected few challenges. Basically, see this over here building, it only appears for some time limit, only for some time. After these clan games are over, say for example now it is 2 days and some hours approximately. After this, the rewards are also limited. It's like for 3 days or 4 days or 5 days, whatever it is. I'll try to cover even that part of it. So let me just take a challenge and show you guys. So I'll just click over here and I'll go for Queen. See, knock out 50 levels worth of Archer Queen in multiplayer battles. I'll say start. So it is started, the time is running, the clock is running. So now again I click and it says 7 hours 59 minutes. So the clock is running. And it shows over here, see if you can just, it shows that I have already taken a challenge. Now I'll go for a multiplayer attack. Over here it is. See, this is the entire screen. Mom, can you just hold? The entire screen, as I showed you earlier. I'll go for this, see this mouse, an orange cursor. I'll go for this attack, multiplayer attack, and then I'll find over here, find a match. Basically, I need to look out for a queen. And here is a queen of worth level 5. So I'll try to damage her. I'm doing an lightning spell on her. Just for the safe side, I have used another lightning spell, and now I am going to surrender because I have knocked out 5 levels worth. See, now it is saying as I am doing surrender, Chief, you are sure you want to give the order to retreat? Our army will be defeated. Yes, I am sure because right now my priority is to complete the clan games challenge. So I have done this and it shows that you have been defeated. There is no stars. It is only total of 6% damage and I got 5219 gold, no elixir, 55 dark elixir and I lost 21 trophies. And the troop expended is lightning spells of level 6, that too 4 lightning spells, and below there is a button called return home. In this way I am going to try to complete this challenge, and see it comes on the right that you have completed out of 50 you have already destroyed 5. Now I am brewing spells because I have already used 4 spells, so I am brewing spells, lightning spells. See these 4 lightning spells of level 6, now they will be being brewed, and these 5 lightning spells will come into my army camp. Since there was a open space or there was a empty space, so these will take the respective places. That is what is happening. Again I'll go for an attack, multiplayer attack, and then find a match. And I am trying to find a queen. There is a queen. I don't know the level. I can't see the level. Whatever it is, I just need to attack. It is under the upgrade. I hope that is being destroyed or she is being destroyed. And I'll do this surrender. Just zoom out, mommy. Yeah. Surrender. Chief, you are Chief. Are you sure you want to give the order to retreat? Question mark. Our army will be defeated. Okay. Again, no gold, no elixir, 25 trophies lost, no dark elixir, troop expended, 4 lightning spells of level 6, and they say return home, defeated, total percentage of damage 2%. Defeat. Okay, I accept that. No big deal. And there is no message, so I think that queen was not even worth of. Welcome back. Yes, as you know guys, I am making videos on clan games. I have already shot, but it is more than 15 minutes, so I have to make it into part 2, part 3, maybe God knows how many parts, I don't know. But that is a part of Clash of Clans. That is a part of introduction to Clash of Clans. So I was thinking to tell you guys, all my viewers, all my subscribers, that because I have not applied for much time duration, YouTube has given a time restriction or a time limitation. That's the reason I am also continuing with it and making it. I am recording it at one go. Most of the time I'm recording it at one go. Wherever possible, I record it at one go, and then I keep it cutting, trimming, editing, and making it into 2 parts, 3 parts, and then record for the second part, third part. Like I record for the intro and outro of second part and third part. So this is the outro of part 1, Clash of Clans, Clan Games. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button, share button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Also select the all option so that you get the latest of my YouTube videos on my YouTube channel. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.